Nova is a multinational corporation with a strong focus on providing product packaging solutions for businesses around the world. Nova developed the core packaging business starting with snacks, frozen food, beverages, as well as pharmaceutical products. Throughout the years, the company has accumulated a strong portfolio both in finance and resources, and is trusted by many satisfied with the utilization of Nova's products and services expertise. In recent years, Nova has started a series of innovation transformations. First, by strengthening their existing product and service quality, as well as improving hardware and software facilities, which has allowed Nova to become a more comprehensive and well-rounded corporation. Nova has had wide coverage globally with its primary focus in Southeast Asia. The high cost effectiveness as well as high quality of products has allowed Nova to keep a strong foothold in Singapore and Malaysia, as well as Myanmar and China, while receiving recognition within the regional market. After 9 years of development since 2011, the company's innovative process has helped clients achieve higher revenue and has become a benchmark and references for competitors and industry peers. The company's structural organizational chart and operations model is mainly categorized into 4 segments, namely sales and marketing, technology and software development, as well as after-sales service and hardware configuration support. Nova established parallel companies for each segment, which was designed to strengthen the core value of the team, while also promoting distributive workload and professionalism cooperation. This joint operation between parallel companies will provide Nova better options for future expansion. To solve the dilemmas and difficulties in the development of the production line, Nova proposed a brand new workflow system. The development of such systems was based on some difficulties faced by most corporate and SMEs. In the early stages of establishing production lines, selection of employees and maintenance staff fund for R&D will result to high production costs, thus increasing the risks of the company. What's more, if the employee doesn't have the skill to assess the risk and return rate of the production process, it will also cause huge losses for the company. Therefore, Nova's designated an ecosystem, specifically designed to reduce initial costs by setting up effective customized production lines as well as ROI planning. In this new system, facility construction consisting of software and hardware facilities, production accessories will be assessed, followed by process planning and evaluating market competition in advance. This allows our professionals to analyze and formulate integral solutions to reduce the risk for companies, especially SMEs. What comes along is a detailed risk assessment report and quotation, construction assembly and testing, training and handover of technical personnel.
Nova was very good at listening and considering what our situation was, to basically understand our needs to get us from beginning of construction all the way through to production.
我们在14-15年的时候就开始跟 Nova 一起合作，我们的设备的生产率、生产效率已经是达到90%，将近90到95之内。
One of the reasons why Nova is able to achieve the bandwidth in the current state is because Nova advocates simplified procedures and refined production power. Through the complete ecological workflow system, it enables businesses to attain higher profits and sustainable development by managing rational time and costs. In Nova, your promise is our responsibility.